Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to unpublish an article in Joomla 3.X. Log into your Joomla dashboard. Let's go to the front end of the website. As you can see, two articles are published under the category Short Stories. To unpublish these articles, go back to your Joomla dashboard. Hover your mouse on the Content tab. Select Articles from the drop-down menu to open Article Manager. Click on the title of the article to open it. In the right sidebar, click on the drop-down arrow below the Status section. Select Unpublished from the drop-down list. Click on Save and Close. Now go to the front end of the website and hit refresh. As you can see, article is unpublished. Go back to your Joomla dashboard again. This time, click on the right icon next to the article you want to unpublish. Now go to the front end of the website and hit refresh. As you can see, article is unpublished. This is another simple method to unpublish articles. This is how you can unpublish articles in Joomla 3.x. Thank you for watching.